Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming permissions. You need a teacher or admin Google Classroom account and a Notion workspace ready. Once done, enable Google Drive access because exports from Classroom flow through Drive. Next, open Classroom, select the class, and export assignments or student lists as CSVs. Make sure the files land in a folder you control. This is the first actionable step, because without exported data and Drive access, you cannot sync anything into Notion. So complete these items before moving on. Now prepare the exported CSVs. Open them and standardize column headers to match Notion properties, for example name, email, assignment, and due date. Once formatted in Notion, create a new database page and choose Import CSV, then upload the cleaned file. Make sure to map CSV columns to Notion property types: text for names, email for contacts, date for due dates, and select or person for assignments. This ensures data behaves correctly in Notion and enables filtering, sorting, and assignment workflows. Finish by automating future transfers. Set up a Zapier or make automation that watches the Google Drive folder for new classroom exports and adds or updates Notion database rows. Test with a sample export, verify date parsing, and confirm student emails map to Notion persons. If something breaks, check 3 things first: CSV encoding or delimiter issues, Google Drive sharing permissions, and automation run logs for errors. Adjust mapping, re-export if needed, and run the automation again to confirm the sync completes successfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.